One of the next keys in finding a way to win is understanding and being able to clarify what winning looks like. Anytime I'm thinking about a goal, or anytime I'm thinking about something that I want to accomplish, I visualize myself doing that. And I can remember before I went on a trip, international trip to speak, I can remember practicing over and over again. I can remember going over those lines in my mind of what would I say if the opportunity should arise that I could get an opportunity to speak. And I prepared, I planned, I saw it. So when the opportunity happened, it happened in a very different setting than I was expecting. It was a pitch black field with a group of young adults, and they needed someone to speak. And you know what? I was prepared. I was prepared to speak to this group because I had seen it. I had practiced it. I knew what it felt like. I knew what winning looked like. So it was easy for me to be able to win in that situation. So one of the questions that I want you to write down is, am I preparing to win? Are you preparing to win? What are your plans for winning? How are you going to execute this? Who's going to help you execute this? That goes back to the inner circle. What kind of plans are you making? What kind of goals are you setting? Because when you have those goals in mind, when you can see it clearly, when you can picture what victory looks like, you are that much closer to being able to win. So when you do this exercise, when you imagine yourself, whatever it is, just take a few seconds here. Take a few seconds. I want you to take a few seconds and just picture what winning looks like in whatever area you're thinking about. What does that look like for you? Now that you've got that picture in your mind, I want you to walk back. I want you to go back in your mind and what steps, go home today and look at what steps did it take you to be able to get to that place. And then what I want you to do is I want you to exercise those steps. You see, a lot of times we start things, but we never finish. And we never finish because we don't have a clear picture of where we want to go. We don't have a clear idea of what winning looks like. And so then winning becomes this vague idea. This goal becomes a vague plan. Now, one of the things that you have to do after you've created this plan, after you've gotten the people that believe in you, and you have that winner's mindset, the next thing that you have to do, you have to stay motivated. You see, winning is not easy. One of my favorite quotes by an unknown author is that I never said that it would be easy, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. And that's what I'm telling you about winning. I'm not telling you that winning is going to be easy, but I'm telling you that winning is worth it. And so when you're looking at how you want to win, when you're looking at how you want to be able to get to your next destination, to your next goal, I want you to take the time to really consider, what does it truly